Honorable Speaker, please.
I, Srimati Mehtab Chandi Agathok Salma, have been elected a member of the Legislative Assembly, do swear in the name of God that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India, and that I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about to enter.
Congratulations, Dr. Mehtab Chandi Agathok Salma is now a full-fledged member of the 11th House of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly. Congratulations once again.
Just give from the village side.
जुलूम नहीं छोड़
Voilà.